So we're gonna make the granny square together. I'm using a medium worsted yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. For any project you're using it, depending on the yarn, you use the crochet hook which goes with it. So I will chain 4, 2 double crochet in the first chain from the hook. Chain 2, 3 double crochet in the first chain from the hook. Chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same chain. Chain 2 and again 3 double crochet. Chain 2 and join to the top initial chain 3 or chain 4. Tighten the ring, and this is the first square. We'll change color. I will introduce a new color by pulling the new yarn color through the last loop. Make sure the last one is tight enough. Oops. This one, right. Chain 2, and in the corner or in the previous space, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. We will repeat the same thing in all the spaces. 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Repeat. And in the last space or the beginning space, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and join to the initial chain 3, which will be considered as a double crochet as well, like so. Later I will hide the thread. So we'll keep this yarn here. We'll change color again. Chain 3, two double crochet in the same space. So in the small spaces now it will be only 3 double crochet. In the corners always will be 3 double crochet chain 2, 3 double crochet. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. And I'll join again. Okay, so in every row from this point onwards, you'll always have to understand just one thing. Corners is double crochet, chain 2 double, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, or you can call the 3 double crochet a cluster. So cluster, chain 2, cluster. In the small spaces, which will expand more and more with each row, is only one cluster, which is 3 double crochet, these ones. Yep, I'll show you one more row so you understand. So again, I'm changing color. Oops. Chain 3. Here is a small space where I'll do only 3 double crochet or one cluster. And again in the corner, cluster, chain 2, cluster. Again 3 double crochet only in the next 2 spaces. And again cluster, chain 3, cluster. And again in the last space 2 double crochet and join to the initial, chain 3 over here. Voila. And this is how to make a simple granny square. I hope you find the tutorial useful and easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.